I'm going to review how to solve percent problems like we did the other day in class. So this was the worksheet that was for homework. So I'm going to do a few of these examples and help you get them set up. So in class, we said to set a proportion, you have to draw your box and set your box. And we went over that the top number, your percent goes at the top, and below that you put your 100 because percents are out of 100. Okay, and then this is your is over your of. Okay, so in number 1 it says that 22 students is blank percent of 55. So let's fill in what we already know. So we're going to draw our box. Okay, it says our percent we don't know, so we're trying to find the number. That's our x. And percents are always over 100, or 100. And it says of 55. So we just talk about over here. Our of is going to go on the bottom. So our 55. So that means our is going to be 22 up top. So in order to solve this proportion, we do what's called play baseball. So we're going to draw our baseball bat, which means we're going to multiply. So we're going to do 100 times 22. Zero, zero, 2. So we get 2200. So once you cross multiply, then you're going to take this other number and divide. So we've got 2200 divided by 55. Okay, so 55 cannot go into 22. So to figure out how many 55s are in 220. So after we do some guess and checks, let's see, it's 55 times 4. 20 plus 2 is 22. So it actually goes into exactly 4 times. So 4. We're going to bring this down and subtract. So we get 0, and we'll bring down our 0. So how many 55s are in 0? It goes exactly 0 times. So that would be an answer of 40. Okay, so that's the same as 2, 3, and 4 using the is over of. Now down here, like number 6, for example. Okay, so number 6, it says, in a survey, 27% of the people chose salads over a meat dish. In all, 81 people chose salads. How many people were in the survey? So since we don't have is or of this time, what we talked about in class is our box now looks like this. The percent and 100 are still the same. This is now part and whole. Okay, so what this means is that this says part and this says whole. So whole is your total number of whatever you're talking about, and part is only partially of a number. So back to our example. So it says 27%, so that's our percent. So we're going to put that here. And percents are always over 100. Okay, it says so 27% chose salads over meat dish. In all, 81 people chose salads. So to figure out, is that our part or is that our whole? So they're talking about a survey, they're talking about more than just salads. So this is only part of the survey. So that's going to be our part, and we're looking for our whole. So like we said a few minutes ago, you're going to play baseball, so you're going to cross multiply 100 times 81, and then take that number and divide it by 27 to get your answer.